Hello guys, today we are going to discuss the previous year GATE question. 28 क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है. A queue is implemented using an array such that NQ and DQ operations are performed efficiently. Which one of the following are correct? Both operations can perform in omega n time. Okay, this is correct answer because in this operation we consider that shifting is we avoid the shifting case. Okay, so both operations will be performed in omega 1 times. The answer will be A. Next is 29 question. Which one of the following is not a super key in a relation schema with attributes V, omega, X, Y and Z, where primary key is given Vy. एक सुपर की क्या होती है? The super key include a primary key. So in which option the primary key is not included? In B option. आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? B. 30 क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है. Consider the system is considering m linear equation and in n variables. Which one is following is true? Okay, correct statement find करना है अपन को. If m less than n, then such that system have a solution. Okay, अगर वेरिएबल ज़्यादा होंगे और लीनियर इक्वेशंस कम होंगी तो सिस्टम का कोई सॉल्यूशन नहीं निकलेगा. तो फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज इनकरेक्ट. एंड सेकंड इज दिया हुआ इफ m greater than n then none of this system has a solution. This statement is wrong. If m equal to n then there exists a system which has a solution. So third option is correct. The answer will be C. 31 क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है. Suppose that eigenvalue of matrix AR is 1 to 4, then find the determinant of A inverse transpose. The determinant of matrix is given by multiplication of eigenvalue, and eigenvalue of matrix is given 1 to 3. तो multiplication क्या हो जाएगा? 8. Then determinant of inverse matrix is given by 1 by determinant of A. डिटरमिनेंट क्या हो जाएगा? 1/8. एंड द डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ रिमेनिंग सेम आफ्टर द जो ट्रांसफॉर्म ऑपरेशन होता है उसका डिटरमिनेंट प्रीवियस स्टेट के डिटरमिनेंट के बराबर होता है. तो इसका डिटरमिनेंट क्या हो जाएगा? 1/8. थर्टी 32 क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है. फ्लॉयड वार्सल एल्गोरिथम ऑफ ऑल पेयर्स सो टेस्ट पाथ कंप्यूटेशन इज बेस्ड ऑन डायनामिक प्रोग्रामिंग. आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? सी. 33 क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है. L1 is defined by the grammar S1A, S1B epsilon. L2 is defined by the grammar S2AB, S2 epsilon. Which one following statement is true? L1 is regular and L2 is regular. So for regular grammar, for regularity of the grammar should be right linear grammar or left linear grammar. Then the language called regular. आंसर क्या हो जाएगा इसका? सी. ओके, इट इज not left or not right linear grammar. Okay, the second is left linear grammar. Okay, the answer will be C. 34 क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है. There are given four grammars where L1 is regular, L2 is context-free, L3 is recursive and L4 is recursively invariable. ओके, तो अपन को फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट फाइंड आउट करना है कि करेक्ट है कि इनकरेक्ट है. सो L-3 यूनियन L4 इज रिकर्सिव इनवेरिएबल. तो वेयर L3 is recursively, then L inverse is also recursively because closed under complement. And L3 is recursively grammar. So L3 dash union L4 is recursively enumerable. So first statement is correct. Second is L2 dash union L3 is recursively. The second option is also correct. And third is correct. And fourth is wrong. So answer will be D. You can see the here explanation. Okay. You can see here the explanation of all these options. 34 questions दिया हुआ है. For any two language L1 and L2 such that L1 is context free, L2 is recursively enumerable, then but not recursive. Which one of the following is true? L L inverse L inverse L1 inverse is recursively, L2 inverse is recursively, and L3 L1 is L1 inverse is context free. L L1 inverse union L2 is recursively enumerable. इसमें फर्स्ट एंड फोर्थ करेक्ट हो जाएगा. इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन अपन पहले देख चुके हैं इन दिस ऑप्शन. 35 क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है. विच वन इज द फॉलोइंग इज मैचिंग? लेक्सिकल एनालिसिस is connect checking the regular explanation, and top down parsing is related to the left mode derivation, and semantic analysis is second type checking is done by semantic analysis. Runtime environments is activation of record. So B will be correct. 36 question दिया हुआ. In which of the following page replacement algorithm it is possible for a page fault rate to increase even when the number of allocated frame is increased? So FIFO is the answer. Okay, because FIFO suffer from Beledi anomaly. Okay. Then 38 question, the aim of creating page replacement algorithm is decrease the page fault rate. Okay. Answer will be C. What is the optimal page replacement algorithm? Replace the page that will not use for a long time. C answer. And 40 question दिया हुआ है. Optimal page replacement algorithm is difficult to implement because it requires future knowledge of the referencing string. 41 question दिया हुआ है. LRU page replacement algorithm associated with each page the time of page last usage. Answer will be B. 42 question दिया हुआ है. The width of the physical address on the machine is 40 bit. The width of the tag field is 512 KB and 8-way set associative case. In the set associative case, the set bit is 8 and we have to calculate the block size first, block offset. Okay, for the block offset case size दिया हुआ है. Okay, the case size equal to number of set multiplied by block per set and block offset. तो इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो ब्लॉक ऑफसेट का वैल्यू आ जाएगा 8. देन टेक बिट आ जाएगा 40 माइनस 8 इज इक्वल टू 24. आंसर विल बी 24. 43 क्वेश्चन दिया. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ग्रामर इज फ्री फ्रॉम लेफ्ट रिकर्सिव? लेफ्ट रिकर्सिव फ्री ग्रामर कौन सी है? लेट्स चेक द ए. ए इज नॉट फ्री फ्रॉम द left recursion because A in second production A goes to A and A. तो यहाँ पे this is the region where it become left left recursion grammar, and second is correct answer, and C is also wrong because C is left recursive. Okay, because of this production and this production A and SC, and also D is not free from the left recursion. 44 क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है, प्रिज्म मैचिंग करना, प्रिज्म प्री एल्गोरिथम ऑफ MST is depending on Grady method. Second is correct. Floyd-Warshall algorithm for R shortest pair is related to dynamic programming, and merge sort is related to DSA, and S is backtracking. The answer will be C. (45) question दिया हुआ, the height of BST is 5, then we have to find the minimum and maximum number of node. तो एक फॉर्मूला होता है, for the maximum number of node for a perfect binary tree is given by h is given by 2 to the power h plus 1 minus 1, and the minimum node is given by h plus 1. So answer will be 63 and 6. 46th क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ, मैचिंग करना है अपन को. कंडीशन कवरेज is related to white box testing. Equivalence class partitioning is related to black box testing, and volume testing is related to performance testing, and alpha testing is related to system testing. The answer will be C. 47 क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है, which of the following are correct in order transfer sequence of BST. तो जब इन ऑर्डर होता है तो ट्रांसफर ऑलवेज भी इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर, सेट इट इन इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर. तो इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में कौन है, एक तो फर्स्ट है, बिकॉज 3, 5, 7, 8, 12, 9, 19 and 25 is increasing order. Okay, first and fourth, and second and third are not in increasing order because here is 5, 8, 9, 12, 10, so this is not in increasing order. The answer will be A. 48 क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है, which one of the following is true at any valid state in shift reducing parser. The stack contain only a set of available prefixes. The answer will be C. 49 क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है, consider the 4-bit Johnson counter with the initial value of 000. Counting sequence of counter is D. 0, 8, 12, 14. जॉनसन काउंटर में क्या होता है, एक एक बिट लेफ्ट से राइट शिफ्ट होती रहती है. ओके,